Watch as floodwaters fill this New Mexico jewelry store in a matter of minutes. The CCTV footage starts with water pouring across the floor at 3:09 p.m. on July 8th. As the seconds pass, the water continues to rush in through the front and back doors, toppling furniture. Just over 1 minute later, the room's entire contents are floating close to the ceiling. Videos like this are a stark reminder of just how quickly flash flooding happens. The flooding was sparked by heavy rain that fell on a wildfire-damaged area, causing the Ruidoso River to rise by 6.09 meters in less than an hour, killing 3 people.